This year, Rancho won the 2018 Best New Product Award for our JL Sport Suspension System. Couldn't have done it without our product, marketing, and engineering team. I'd like to thank all of our customers for a successful 2018 SEMA show, and we're looking forward to 2019.
Hi, my name is Chuck Wallace, and this is the Rat God. It's a 1930 Model A. It's been chopped and channeled, put on the ground. Frame was stretched. It's on airbags. It's got a 496 roller, full roller Merlin head Chevy, big block Chevy. We took the motor out and candy painted.
Hey guys, it's Matt here with Rancho Suspension and Shocks at the 2018 SEMA show here in Las Vegas. One of the hottest vehicles this year is the new Jeep Wrangler JL. Check out this bad boy from Twisted Jeeps out of Moab, Utah. It comes equipped with a 3.5-inch crawler system that includes new control arms, corner-specific oils, and you can tune it to the shock you want, our RS9000XL adjustable or the RS5000X. Both come equipped with our DRS technology.
Here I am in the Rancho Dynamax booth. My name is Chris from Chris Holstrom Concepts, based out of Puyallup, Washington, up north a few hundred miles from here. Every year we've got a great partnership to showcase cars. This is, I think, number 7, 8 since 2011, and we specialize in the pro touring world, basically Camaros, Chevelles, Mustangs, and this year what we brought is a 1969 Camaro black that we just finished up in the shop for a good, actually, high school buddies.
Hey guys, Dawson Crusoe here with Full Wheel Performance out of Wichita Falls, Texas. So we have our 2019 F250 single cab long bed in the booth this year. And it's not your ordinary single cab long bed. What we've done is we've gone in, we've added a wrap to do a two-tone color scheme of the old 1970s era highboys. To include on that, we added a Rancho suspension that's been customized to clear the beefy 42 1450 20 KX BFG crawlers.